Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And today guys, I'm making something. Well, I know you already know what I'm making because you've seen that title down below. But for those of you that just heard of it, clicked on the video without looking at the title. I'm making some sweet, delicious, flavorful, thick, and you can't eat just one slice. And it's real perfect for the holidays, okay? Today I am making sweet potato pie, but not just any sweet potato pie, the little mini sweet potato pie tarts. So let's get right on into it. Okay, so I already baked off 2 sweet potatoes, all right? And I peeled them and I put them in the bowl with a stick of butter and, you know, blended it all together with my little fork. So yes, that's how it looked. Okay, so I went ahead and baked off the 2 sweet potatoes. They're ready to be peeled and put in a bowl with the butter. So I already peeled the sweet potatoes and put them in here with my stick of salted butter. Okay, while it's still hot, you gonna mash the sweet potatoes in the butter. Nice and incorporated. Now let's start adding our other ingredients. Back to me. Now we want to go ahead and put the other ingredients in the bowl, okay? So we're gonna get 2 eggs. Eggs, child. Let's get these eggs right on up in now. Some eggs down up in now. Y'all hear my daughter talking. She's still in remote learning right now, so just pay attention to what I'm doing with the sweet potato tarts. It's okay. Go ahead with the eggs. Got them eggs in there. Next, we're gonna do some pure vanilla. Pure vanilla, baby. Then we're gonna do some salt. Some lemon juice, fresh lemon juice. And some nutmeg. Good old nutmeg, baby. Then we gonna do some sugar. Gotta get it sweet. It has to be sweet. Cause who wants a bland pie? I ain't never heard of it. And if you have, I feel so sorry for you. Okay? Cause I ain't never heard of a bland pie, honey. Put that sugar right on up in now. Mix it together a little bit to get it to start combining.
Time to it up.
Combine it up just a little bit. Don't worry about getting it all up in there because we are going to use a mixer and get it incorporated real good and get those strings that those sweet potatoes come with that we do not want to eat in our pie. Okay? All right. Okay, we're going to take some evaporated milk and some cornstarch. We're going to put the cornstarch in the evaporated milk, mix it up, and put it right on in our pie mixture, alright? Let me boil this little fork. Real quick, simple, and easy. Nothing to it but to do it. Let me go wash my fork. Okay, we're going to take this cornstarch right on up in there. We don't want no lumps. So mix it real good. gonna get our hand mixer. Put a little bit in there so it won't splash. Mix it on up and repeat. You ready? All right. A little bit. Put the rest of that on up in there. Take that off so we can wash them out, because we do not want to put those strings back in our filling. Now me, y'all, I'm a little different. I kind of sniff it to see if I have a little nutmeg and stuff in it. You don't want to dip your nose in the bowl. I come to the side. And if I feel like I need a little bit more, go stalk my eggnog. Where is that? Let me see if I can sneak up on it and get it, because I feel like I need a little bit more nutmeg. Okay, be right back. I found it, y'all. Get a little bit. Be right back. Okay, I'll make just mix it in there real good. Now the sugar is to taste, so y'all can go ahead and put everything in here except for the eggs, and then taste it to see if you have enough sugar and nutmeg in it, so you can add more. And remember, you can't take away. So don't overdo it. You don't want to ruin your pie, okay? Okay. Okay, y'all. So I went ahead and baked off my let me follow me camera. Hold on. Can you see me? Can you see me? There I go. Anyway, I went ahead and baked off my miniature pie crust just a little bit. Don't overdo it. Little minis. Hello. I have everything in the description below. Don't worry about that. But I went ahead and did it ahead of time. So now I'm gonna fill them, and then we're gonna pop them in the oven for 350. Okay? Let me go ahead and fill them. Okay, I got them filled and ready to go in the oven. So I'll be right back in just a second. Next slide. As you can see, my little friends just came out of the oven. So we're gonna give them about 5 minutes to set. 5 to 10, something like that, to set, and then we're gonna come right back with the tasting. Hello, beautiful. Hello. Look at them. They're so cute. Okay, we are out the oven and we are ready to taste, people. I hope you are just as excited as I am. Let me see, which one do I want to taste? Let me show y'all how it came out. Ooh. I can hold it in my hand because I let it cool. Look at that. Look how pretty. Let's focus. That is. Alright, I'm ready to taste it. I know y'all ready for me to taste it. So, wait. Before I do this, let me give me some. I have to have this on top of my sweet potato pie. Whether it's a big pie or a little tart pie like this one. Be right back. Okay. Some Cool Whip. Whip topping. Okay, let me taste this real quick. Usually I just take it out the pan and go to town, but I ain't gonna act crazy on here with y'all. Y'all gonna like these sweet potato fries. Hold on. Let me let my little helper taste it and see if she like it. Because of course I'ma like my own cooking. So let me see if my little helper gonna help me. Little helper, are you out of school?
Yes.
Do you wanna taste it?
Yes.
Okay. She tasted some. Do you like it? You do? Ooh, I'm out at the camera. You like it? 1 through 10.
So I was so scared. 10 out of 10.
This little girl said 0 out of 0. But she playing with y'all. I promise she playing with y'all. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that bell for those post notifications. And until next
Wait, Mommy.
Huh?
You forgot something.
What did I forget?
And the ingredients will be in the description down below.
Oh yeah, the ingredients will be in the description down below. But until next